Hi, Larry Stewart here with ForConstructionPros.com at ConExpo ConAg in Las Vegas. I'm with Chairman of LiuGong North America, Jim Donahue. Jim, the company had some pretty exciting news to share with us earlier today, the acquisition of HSW. Sure. Why don't you tell us a little bit about how that came about and what that means for LiuGong in North America?
Sure. Well, Larry, as you know, our company has a 5-year strategy where we plan our product line needs. We talk about the different markets that we need to enter around the world. And it was a situation where the HSW acquisition just presented us with a tremendous opportunity to not only add to the product portfolio that we need to serve our customers better, but it also gives us a great foothold in the European region in terms of a production facility. And it gives us access to excellent technology and a lot of highly skilled engineers and people who really understand the construction equipment business, especially bulldozers.
That manufacturing facility's in Poland, right?
Correct, absolutely.
And one of the significant product line expansions is sort of filling out that bulldozer line from 74 to 515 horsepower.
Exactly. HSW has one of the broadest product lines of bulldozers, as you mentioned, all the way from 75 to 515 horsepower with many models in between. So that's really going to give us the opportunity to leverage that technology, those machines, throughout the LiuGong distribution system around the world. So we're very excited about it from that standpoint, but there's a lot of other benefits to us as well. Things like undercarriage technology. HSW is recognized as a leader in high quality undercarriage. That's applicable not only to bulldozers, but to our crawler excavator line. HSW has many highly skilled engineers, very well trained, very experienced, and these engineers will be able to help us again on other product lines beyond just the crawler dozers.
I see. Does the company have a plan for the next stage, the next product line that you'll be developing with this engineering capacity that you've added?
Well, those things are still to be finalized and decided after the acquisition is in place. But certainly, you can imagine the brainstorming is already going on.
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. When do you expect the acquisition to be complete?
It'll be complete over the course of the next 60 to 90 days, we expect. But it's really dependent upon the approvals of the Chinese and Polish governments at this point. So we're working through the process, but we're very excited that we've been able to reach the point where we can actually announce them publicly. Yeah.
Well, I was just talking with Kurt, and we were talking a little bit about dealer development, and I understand that's obviously one of the big challenges about breaking into the North American market. Tell us what HSW brings in terms of dealer potential. Let's call it.
Well, certainly HSW, via the Dressta brand, has been selling Dressta bulldozers in North America for many years. There's Dressta dealers throughout North America, and when the time is right, whenever that time may be, we will work with the folks from Dressta to understand what those opportunities are, and then reach out to the Dressta dealers and understand what opportunities there are for the dealers as well as LiuGong.
Yeah, the opportunity seems like it's pretty significant. The Dressta North American Dealer Organization is 35, as I understand.
Sure, that's right.
Yeah, and which would close to triple the number of dealers that you have now.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a big positive for us, and I'm sure there's a few areas of overlap, but I think they're minimal, and I think that there's lots of opportunity for everyone in this.
All right.
It'll be good.
Well, I wish you the best of luck with it, and I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much, Larry.
Take care.
Good.